When it comes to dental implants, it's important to maintain your investment. So some of the things I say to almost every single patient is dental implants are not perfect. They're not permanent. Some people call them permanent teeth, permanent implants. They will last as long as you take care of them. So it's very important for patients to be healthy. Keep your mouth and your gums clean, keep your teeth clean. These things will last a very long time if you take care of them. So I want you to invest in your investment. So after you eat, you brush your teeth or you rinse your mouth out. You need to treat these things like they're your natural teeth. And then spend time on your gums and use that toothbrush to gently massage your gums. Keep your gums healthy. And then one of the special things that we add to dental implants is a water pick, that's a brand, or a water flosser, something that flows water or mouthwash underneath your screwed in teeth to keep the food and the debris out of there. That helps keep everything clean and it helps prevent inflammation. The first year, we like to see you 4 times a year. Every 3 months, we want to take care of you and help you clean them and look at how the healing's going. Let us help maintain these things for as long as possible. If you have any questions about how to maintain these things or any questions about implants at all, call us and schedule a free consultation.